play this game.
Every day.
What game's that, babe?
It's Sparkle, Heart, Flower, Rapunzel, Butterfly, Rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
That's the game.
Mm-hmm. And how's the game work?
The game, how you be a Barbie.
Mm-hmm.
A Barbie princess.
Mm-hmm.
And every day you lost your glass slipper.
You lose it every single day?
Yeah.
You're
But
kidding.
only when you go to ball.
Oh, okay. But so if you don't go to a ball every day, you don't lose your glass slipper every day?
Yep.
Okay.
Sometimes I go to balls. Sometimes I go to play dates and all that kind of thing.
What kind of ball? Is it a football?
No, a ball like dancing. That ball. That kind of ball.
Dancing ball?
Yeah.
What kind of songs do they sing at those balls?
That's what I'm going to when it's morning time. I know you could be Cinderella.
Who could be Cinderella?
You.
What are you going to be?
I'm going to be her. I'm going to be her.
Who's her?
She's from Juju,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm going to call her Sparkle, Heart, Rainbow.
Okay. Does she have another name? Is she Princess somebody or?
She's Aurora.
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh.
Unicorn.
Ariel.
I want to hear some more of that singing from the ball.
I think you have to be this That's all.
Uh-huh. Can you show me some dancing? Wow, that was beautiful. Can you take a bow? Can you curtsy? You go, oh.